we've heard the Chancellor praise the fact that in his view Britain is now a safe haven because it's got its fiscal house in order. Do you see much evidence for that? And what do you think it says about the Treasury's approach to the pound?
I think this is highly misleading. What we've actually seen is that falls in long-term interest rates in the UK have been correlated on a day-to-day basis in the markets with falls in stock prices, as indeed we saw today, and with slight falls in the pound. So actually what we're seeing for long-term interest rates, the so-called safe haven, isn't that. It's really just a sign of economic weakness. So if the economy strengthens, what I'd expect to see actually is yields rising somewhat towards a more, quote, normal, unquote, level, and probably the pound rising as well, which of course would over the medium term run against the objective of rebalancing. So it's a careful balance he needs to strike on this.
So in layman terms, very basically put, it's the weakness in the economy that's driving expectations of the Bank of England's rate lower, which in turn is making Britain's borrowing costs lower than they otherwise would be.
That's right, and in that sense it's very similar to what happened in Japan. We're seeing very low rates because the economy is very weak and people are expecting that the Bank of England will keep interest rates low for a very long time.
So for this to be worn as a badge of honour?
I think it is, as I said, highly misleading at best.